warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rustianensi. This time I share a little with all of you regarding the current situation, which of course you all feel, and I will to tell about my daily activity before and after pandemic.
Sejumlah protokol dikeluarkan pemerintah terkait penanganan wabah virus corona di Indonesia.
Standar penanganan diperlukan agar tidak terjadi kerancuan dalam menangani virus yang merebak pertama kali di Wuhan, Tiongkok.
Since the corona pandemic hit the world, the government has appealed to keep your distance, wear mask, always wash your hand, and don't go out of the house. Until famous places in the world that are usually crowded are now quiet. Now I will share my activity before and after the pandemic. Before the pandemic, I studied on campus face-to-face. Before the pandemic, I often meet with college friends. Before the pandemic, I lived in a dormitory, so I used to buy my meals. Before the pandemic, I quickly set a bedtime to get ready for campus the next day. Before the pandemic, I rarely exercised because Before the pandemic, I was far from my family because I studied in Jawa while my family was in Sulawesi. Next, after pandemic. During the pandemic, I studied from home using Zoom, Google Meet, and other media. All activities were carried out online. Because of the prohibition on leaving the house to break the chain of spreading the virus, which has claimed many victims, the concept of education has also changed. Previously, the teaching and learning process was carried out face-to-face, now using various social networking applications. During the pandemic, I didn't see my friends anymore, but I see my friends in Zoom, Google Meet, and others media. During the pandemic, I usually sleep until midnight. During the pandemic, I often did sports such as cycling around the village. During the pandemic, I often cook because I live at home. After the pandemic, I can reunite with my old friends. Now, every time I leave the house, I have to wear a mask. After the pandemic, I can reunite with my family. Remember this video.